So you tried your best, but it didn't work out the way that you wanted it to. But think of it this way. You're one step closer to succeeding now. You know this, that no one ever achieved anything in their very first try. So why are you stressing out about it? Yes, we do hear of overnight successes, but you know that those didn't happen overnight, right? It took years and years of accumulation of hard work that led to their success, which seems overnight. But if you ask any of these overnight successes, was their success really overnight? I'm sure they'll tell you no. And you've not failed. To reach success, there's a ladder that you have to climb. And maybe you're on the first rung, or the second, or the third, but you are going to reach the top of the ladder only if you don't ever stop climbing it. What good is a ladder if it's just the first rung, right? If someone had to reach the top, obviously it would take hard work. Otherwise, anyone would do it. The people who succeed, they take failures as rungs on the ladder and they keep climbing and climbing and climbing. And those who don't, they give up. So what you have to do is just keep climbing the ladder. Failure is what makes you stronger. I really want you to understand, if you're feeling down about failing, it's a rite of passage. You have to go through this to reach the top. Because there's so much that you learn on the way that will help you reach the top. All those failures are actually lessons. And without them, you won't have the experience or the knowledge to get what it takes to be at the top of the ladder. So I want you to understand that what is happening to you right now, it's important. It's necessary. So don't feel bad about it. So imagine you're driving a car and right across the speed bump is your destination. Would you just not go to your destination because there's a speed bump? You'll cross the speed bump and go reach your destination. This is exactly that. Just a speed bump along your entire journey. It's not a dead end. So stop treating it like one, because it's only a dead end if you make it a dead end. And failing is a sign that you're trying. The actual failure would be just giving up. Because like I said, the only difference between the people who reach the top and the ones who don't is that the ones who reach there don't give up, ever. And how do I make you believe that this had to happen? You had to learn the lesson that you learned this time so that you don't make the same mistake the next time. But you weren't born with all this knowledge, right? You have to learn it somehow. And then when all those failures accumulate, imagine all the lessons and the knowledge and the experience you would have gained. Imagine all that you would achieve with all of that. So failure is good. Don't stress about it. I know you might feel like a big time failure right now because you put in so much of your hard work, so much into it. But hard work never goes waste. It all accumulates and one day it just blows up. And that's what we call overnight successes. Soon your turn will come. I'm sure of it. But just please, just don't give up. Because the world is waiting for your overnight success. And you will know how much hard work went behind it. That it wasn't overnight at all. You don't have to stop because you know what's at stake. You're trying to do this for a reason. Just remember that reason and imagine how it'll feel when you're on the other side. I want you to think of that and keep going. You got this.